In a seller's market, you might think you could price your house as high as you want and still get multiple offers, right? Wrong. Pricing strategy is pivotal, even in a seller's market. The homes that are overpriced right now are still sitting. Today's consumer is much more educated and informed than they may have been a few years ago, and even if they aren't, their agent understands what is properly priced and what is overpriced. In the city where I live, there are only 23 single-family homes on the market right now, and 16 of them have been on the market more than 30 days. That's probably not the narrative you've been hearing. You've been hearing how fast the market is moving, how little inventory there is. Yes, that's true, but those who miss the market are not selling their homes right now. Let me give you an example of how pricing strategy can really affect the outcome of a sale of a home. Recently, 2 homes hit the market in this one neighborhood, about 100 yards apart from one another. They were the same floor plan by the same builder and presented in almost the same fashion. They both looked really good. The first one came on the market at $470,000. The second one came on the market shortly thereafter at $432,000. The $470,000 home sat on the market for a while. The $432,000 home sold almost immediately at $434,000. The one on the market at $470,000 originally had to lower their price and lower their price and lower their price and lower their price. Eventually, over 100 days later, they sold at $416,000. That's a big difference, not to mention the amount of time that seller wasted and probably the amount of stress that the seller and the agent went through during that time period. So the moral of this story is that it makes sense to be educated in what's going on in the market. Don't be greedy. If you're looking to sell your home, you should find a realtor who's a local expert, someone who can help you with pricing strategy on the home. They also should have a strategy to launch your listing and make sure it gets the most eyeballs possible on it and is presented properly so that you can get those multiple offers on the home. And instead of negotiating with one person at a high price, you've got a whole bunch of offers to choose from, and you may even get a higher price. And that's my take.